Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do fake tweets just like this right here for videos on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it right now. So basically what you want to do is find the person or whoever you're trying to fake tweet. Try to find them, screenshot them, and what you want to do is go to the tweet button, but don't at Amazon, just get rid of that, and just say hi. Tweet that. All right, and then press this right here down at the bottom. Screenshot that, and then what you need, you can use plenty of Photoshop apps, but I like using PixArt. It should be free. It's right here. As you can see, I was editing this. Just say this was my background. Don't save. I'm just going to put don't save. And say I wanted to start a brand new, right? Press this right here. And what you want to do is find the first tweet. So you want to find this tweet right here. All right, and go back to your pictures, right? And then go to your pictures. Where is this tweet at? This is my tweet, and this is Amazon's tweet. So what you want to do is take another screenshot. You can also do this, but it's easier if you just take a screenshot and just go in your photos. But basically what you want to do is go press blackout, black it all out here. Basically all you need is just this part right here, right there, this little dingy that says Amazon. I want to just cross that out. I'll be right back when I do that. I did it and I cropped everything out. As you can see, I messed up on this right here, but that's fine for the video. So you want to go back here, PixArt. What you want to do is find the pic. All right, what you want to do is find the picture. So add a picture right here. Where's add the picture? It's somewhere around here. Add photo. I'm looking through a camera lens too. That's also not so good. Please don't mind him. Find the picture you want. Get the picture. Press. Make sure it's under here and press add. So you want to add it and stretch it out. Stretch it out to what it looks like to what yours looks like. So I'm going to do it right now. Just have to. I'm looking through a camera lens. So I got it to the best I can. It's a little stretched out, but you can fix that if you want. But I don't have enough time to. So you want to make sure it looks almost like that, and make sure it overlaps. And what you want to go back to the tweet you want. So I have my tweet right here. If I can find it. So my tweet's right here, right? Screenshot it again, or crop it, whatever you want. Screenshot's easier. Go here. Make sure you do not get the name of it. Make sure it's even.
Start a picture of yourself
and then save the photos, right? And then go up. That's not good. That is not good. I'll be right back when it resprings. So I had to redo the whole process. It actually looks a little bit more better. So just do what I said before. Press add photo and get the tweet you want. So the tweet, I believe, is right here. Yeah. Hi. Don't mind him. And make sure it's big. Same size as the text. And make sure it's the same size. It's roughly the same size. And then put it up here. And you might have to like cut it out a bit on here, but let's make it a little smaller.
Guess what, guys? Guess what? Guess what's in 2 more days?
Don't listen to him. And then that's roughly it.
Yeah.
So apply and then screenshot it.
Finally.
And then once you screenshot it, and then just crop it out, whatever you want to do. Press done. Press save photos. There you go. Bing boom goodbye. And then go to iMovie. Go here. Get the video you want. So this is the video I want. You can twist it like this, but I highly recommend doing it like this, and then pressing a little magnifying glass pinch to zoom, because it's easier. So, and then just press this button, the little plus button, and then press photos, and then recently added, and then here's the picture you want. Press the 3 little dots.
No.
Press picture in a picture, and then you got the picture right here. Make sure it's borderless. So you want to tap on the picture right here, borderless, right there. Oops, gotta press that right there. Make sure it's the size you want. It's the size I want. So press done, save, and then save as whatever resolution you want. 720p. That's TikTok's. So there you go. And then find the music you want on TikTok. It's normal what you have to do, and it should look like this. Oh, I can't play the music, I just remember. It should look like this. Google Home is better. And, you know, what a video you want. So, yeah, please subscribe, like this video. Peace.